How's your day? Welcome back to Science Lesson for P3 students with me, Miss Rosa. Today we are going to have a new discussion. We are in the chapter 4 now about flowering plants. So friends, are you ready for the lesson? Let's start. So we start for the lesson A. What are the parts of a plant? Friends, you can open your pupils book page 86 until 96. Here I will tell you the learning goals for our discussion. First, you will recognize that plants have parts such as leaves, flowers, stems, and roots. Recognize that roots take in water and stems transport water. You will also recognize that the leaves, stems, and roots of plants need to be healthy in order for plants to grow well. You also learn vocabulary such as plants, leaves, flowering plants, flowers, roots, stems, healthy, grow, and unhealthy. Do you know what are the parts of a plant? And what are the functions? Here I will tell you one by one. First, here are flowers. And then here are leaves. This one, stem. And these are roots. So plants have leaves, stems, and roots. Some have flowers too. Each part has different function. Here I will tell you each function. The first one, leaves. Leaves make food for plants. But not only on the leaves, the food is also made by the green stems of plants. Here, there are some different shapes of leaves and then different colors. Leaves also have different age and also different texture. The second part, flowers. Not all plants bear flowers. Plants that bear flowers are flowering plants. Flowers help plants reproduce. Here the example. So these flowers of mango trees are small and pale and yellow, while here the flowers of water lily plants are large and bright pink. The third part, roots. Roots hold plants firmly to the ground. Look at this picture, friends. The palm trees do not fall over when there is heavy rain or strong wind because they are rooted to the ground. Now, friends, can you differentiate between two plants here? What are the differences? Okay, right. Here, this tree has long and thick roots. The roots can grow deep into the soil, which hold them firmly to the ground. While for this plant, this weed has short and thin roots. These make them easy to pull out. The other function of roots. Roots also absorb or take in water from the soil. Look at this picture. Roots absorb mineral salts from water in the soil. Mineral salts help plants to grow healthily. Now, what happens if plants are grown into little soil? The roots of this plant do not have enough space to spread out to absorb water well. So we need to move to the other place. So we need to move the plant to a place with more soil will allow them to grow better. What else can we do to make the plants grow better? So here, by adding fertilizer to the soil, help plants grow because fertilizer are rich in mineral salts. The roots can store food for the plant. So here, the roots can be eaten. For example, beetroot, radish, carrot, and turnips. So friends, have you ever eaten one of them here? The fourth part is stems. Stems join the root and the other parts of plants. So inside a stem, there are many tubes which carry waters and mineral salts from the roots to other parts of the plant. Roots and stem work together. So this one, the roots take in water and dissolve mineral salts from the soil. And then the stem transport water and dissolve mineral salts to the leaves and other parts of the plant. The other function of stem. Stem also hold the leaves up so they can get sunlight. There are two kinds of stems. So the first one, this tree, has the woody stems, while for the corn plants, they have non-woody stems. So here I will tell you, the morning glory plant climbing up fence. This plant has weak stems, so it climbs things for support. This helps their leaves get sunlight. Some plants have stems that grow underground. These stems store food, so the underground stem here can be eaten. For example, ginger, potatoes, onion, and colocasia. For a plant to be healthy, its leaves, stem, and roots must be healthy. These parts work together to enable the plants live and grow well. If any parts of the plant is unhealthy, the plant will not grow well. For example, these leaves. These leaves are not healthy because of harmful fungi growing on the leaves. For the other parts, these roots. The growths on these unhealthy roots are caused by bacteria. Is my explanation clear? So we are in the end of our lesson. Let's recap. What have you learned? First, the parts of plants carry out different functions. Leaves make food for plants. Flowers help flowering plants reproduce. While roots hold plants firmly on the ground, they also absorb water and dissolve mineral salts from the soil. And then the next part, stems. Stems transport water and mineral salts from the roots to the other parts of plants. Stems also hold the leaves up so they can get the sunlight. To live and grow well, plants need healthy leaves, stems, and roots. They work together. So thank you so much friends for watching my explanation. See you again for the next lesson. Bye!